She does not want to talk to you.
Baby,
I give her to Walo
You are Let me see.
baby.
Oh. Leave, bruh. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat. Honey, I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Ozan bafethu. Ukwasibona isipoli saseWillies. Yeah.
Are you done flirting with me?
Lips Lisa. Exactly isipoli saseWillies.
Are you done stroking my ego?
Ngaphandle it's thicker than.
Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you? I'm good. Listen, my name is Lisa, okay? I have a show where I ask couples just a couple of questions. Would you guys be willing? It's basically a couples quiz.
Couple.
It's just a quiz. I ask you a couple of questions about your relationship, etc.
Okay.
Would you be willing?
Yeah.
Okay, miss on my left, sir on my right, please. Why do you look so nervous, sir? No, man, it's just simple questions. Don't worry, you'll see the questions as we go. Very simple, okay? Name? Teboho. Oh, okay, and? Lerato, how long have you been with Teboho?
5 months.
5 months, is still going strong?
Yeah, very strong.
Would you say the same? Yeah. Okay, where did you meet her?
We met at the mall, otherwise, for my movie night.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Was she, what do you mean? Was she at a movie night with her friends and were you?
Yeah,
okay, and then what did you say? Did you go up to her?
Most definitely. We are Sakbona Paula and Tlats.
Uh-huh. Damn, what did he say? Do you remember the first thing he said? Probably a cheesy pickup line, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What did he say?
Beautiful. Never a blush.
Uh-huh. And then the rest is history.
Yeah.
Did you guys go through a talking stage first or did he ask you out on the spot?
He asked me out on the spot.
Fast.
You're old-fashioned nigga, ne? Because really, Teboho, what are we waiting for? I like that. So you asked her out immediately?
Nah.
So you guys started dating on the day that you met?
Yeah, we can say that.
Hectic. Okay. Lerato, what is it that you like about Teboho then?
I love that he's patient.
Hi CMTV family, today I want to show you a smart feature on Pocket Broker. It's called Altrade. What makes Altrade different? It allows you to open trades using the platform's funds instead of trading using your own money. If the trade wins, you keep the profit. If it loses, your personal balance stays safe. Pocket Broker also gives you access to trading signals, indicators, social trading, educational material, and 24/7 support to help you improve your trading journey. It started this simple. Register on Pocket Broker and explore the available tools and try the Altrade feature for yourself. Remember, trading always involves risk. So take time to learn and trade responsibly. And don't forget to use my promo code CMTVSA June 1 when you register to get bonus on your first deposit.
And then, like, no matter what is Siala or Sienzan, he is a very calm person. He'll never raise his voice.
Oh, nice.
Yell and swear and all that.
Okay, so he's a gentleman. Nice. Okay. Teboho, what is it that you like about Lerato? Yes, I see it. Yeah, I mean, she went to the movies instead of Grove.
You feel?
You know?
Yeah,
so, yeah, she definitely is a good girl.
She is.
Okay. Nice. Okay, and then from a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
10 out of 10, otherwise.
10 out of 10.
Via the way I look at it,
Okay. Girl, How much would you rate your man?
Garbo 80 so.
8 out of 10. Leaving 2 for disappointment.
Yeah.
I mean, nigga, you're a man. We need to be careful. Do you understand? I think 8 is good for a guy. Right? Now we need to do something else. What we actually do on the show is that we make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps for about 60 seconds.
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
No.
Good girl. Good in two shoes doesn't mind. What's your problem?
Ndaba no ish my phone. Now no khona itobetsa ntle wa bana.
Is he telling the truth?
Atebo. That phone, it hasn't been long. Regular phone.
Mo bana ke.
Atebo, you're lying.
Serious.
What are you lying?
I swear. Ilawa mo bana.
This phone is like new. It hasn't been long since I turned.
Okay, it's fine. We'll check for ourselves. Can we go through this? And then you guys can go.
Like I no khona itobetsa ntle. That's what.
Teboho, you look terrified. It's fine. We'll check for ourselves. We can start with hers. Is that fine?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Can we go ahead, sir?
Ish. Yeah, it's fine.
Lerato, give me your phone. Give me your password, Scott. Just open your phone for me.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay. Go to her WhatsApp, ne? Relax. What's the problem?
No, I'm just thinking.
You're just thinking, Go to her WhatsApp. Okay, search.
Okay, search
Yeah.
button.
Type love you.
Love you. It's only me that pops up otherwise.
Okay.
Oh, Maram Lerato is a girl also.
Okay.
It's only me.
Okay, delete that.
Delete.
Type miss you.
Miss you. I can see a mother here. It's me.
Okay.
It's only the two of us here.
Okay. Delete that. Type babe.
It's only me that pops up otherwise.
Okay, delete that.
Deleted.
Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Thank you, no? Okay. Now I can see an aunt here. But I'm the top of the chart, as always.
Okay, nice.
And her mother's also here.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Outside. The last text was me.
Okay, nice. Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Morning. After pill. There's no search.
Okay, nice. Delete that.
Deleted.
Type pregnant.
Nothing.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type ageko.
Ageko. Ageko. Is it spelled correctly? Okay.
Okay, nothing.
Nothing.
Hey, delete that. Just type he's not here.
Okay. He's not here. Nothing.
Nothing. Nice. Get your phone, girl. Give your woman back her phone.
There you go, man.
It is your turn.
Mara, I told you.
Oh. Yeah, we're gonna give us the phone. Let's see for ourselves.
Mama,
No, Tebo.
Ah,
Kopa phone.
le no bona pela batho
Kopa
tjena.
phone.
Se ke tlo ntsha phone tse senyileng jwale.
Are you hiding something?
There's nothing that I'm hiding.
Okay, then can we see your phone, please?
E senyehile phone ya ka.
Let's see it. Then we'll decide. Okay. Do you know? Can
Open it.
nigga, please give me your passcode. Thank you. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Dlamini, can I have some space? Okay, search. Type love you. Okay. Delete. Wait,
Images.
that's why I was like, I'm not seeing anything.
Ubani emergency Tebogo.
Oh, it's some call that they call us with at work. Wabona, like if they need you right now, bafunela tla.
So bayanthanda ku emergency, they love you.
No, like obvious, what's it about Twitter right? Espana, they compliment. It's a compliment.
Go into the chat. Okay, scroll. Ooh, Tebogo, sibona izinto apha.
Ngana no emergency ngo-11 yobusuku.
Sibona izinto apha. What's happening?
Kopobon.
Oh, you don't know what's on your phone.
11.
11.
What's her name? Because this is a girl. Go into the profile picture, my skirt. This is the girl, mas.
Who's on this girl? Yeah, now no. Like, she's the one responsible for the work.
Really? Go into media. Let's see the pictures.
Yo.
Ah, ha. Ithini into yakho? Give me the phone, Dlamini. What's happening?
Nothing is happening.
Nisendelana ama-nudes nabo emergency Tebogo.
I'm already on the number. You're not going to see any nudes today. What's happening?
Maybe it's AI.
It's AI.
Yeah.
Do you think we're stupid?
No,
What's her name?
Opola musane re tswile last week la sia thabang le phone. Maybe ke la bua ntho tsena, mara nice way like it's work.
Oh my goodness. Hello? I think I'm not. Hello?
Ka o jwetsa ke
Good.
ke motho wa mosebetsi.
Hello? Am I speaking to Amahle?
Yes.
Okay.
Amahle ukhulumayo kanona nasisa.
Hi Amahle, how are you?
Ke sharp wena?
Ke sharp. Kopa o botsa hore o tsebana yang le Tebogo?
Hey, why umpotsa?
No, like because you are saved as emergency ka mo phone ya hae. Ke bona di I love you, ke bona di nudes. A ke tlhalohanye hore o etsalang pila. Yeah, he is my person.
Important, which one is important?
Are you dating?
Yes.
How long? How long have you guys been dating?
It's been 6 months now.
Yo. So me side luck because you and I have been together for 5 months.
She's lying.
Sorry sis, why ufonela and then uba nokhulumayo lapho? Like I don't understand what's going on.
So you no longer you don't know your man's voice now. Who you ukhulumayo in the background obviously.
Wena ujola le yena Tebogo.
Kichola le yena, why else would I be calling you?
Why ufonela hayi ujola le yena? Na kijola le yena siyathandana ke.
After all we've been through, Tebogo, this is how you repay me.
Yeah, I've been with Tebogo for 6 months and we've been cleaning. Kopa ufe Tebogo phone.
Oh, for eng.
Motho wa ka ke batla ho bua le ena.
Ha a bolela ditshila yanong. You're speaking nonsense. Ha e ntho o mpotsang yona.
Ha o tlatse kwena, o ska ntloela hampe. Ke kopa ufe Tebogo phone.
Kwa di scrap lapo tsa hao di bolela le nna yang Tebogo.
If I Tebogo.
Ngwanana.
Hello.
Ke dintho tse o di buang jwang?
Jalo mpitsa ngwanana ka sheko.
O batla ho reng atse?
Tebogo ke mang o ngwanyana o buang mo?
Wena ke dintho di buang.
Ke re ke mang ngwanyana o buang? Ska mpotsa o itse ke mpotsa boroso.
O sa tshe akse because no one sinyeletsa jwang.
Ngwanyana o buang le ena Tebogo ke mang? Like
Why aren't you answering the
Wena ke
question?
ntho
Why aren't you answering the question?
Tebogo,
Why aren't you answering the question?
Answer the question.
Hi, about this guy.
I will catch
She's been asking you who just spoke, and you're not answering the question. When are you gonna get there? It's his girlfriend.
Oh, guy.
Sorry, Dlamini.
Ah, ish.
Yabuza umsebenzi. it doesn't look like umsindo oetsahalang. And rest part of it, ke mang wa yona o founetseng?
Wena ke ntho tso di.
Asoze. Amahle, the girl who just spoke now is his girlfriend.
And when man, like what?
That's not important, my scat. You'll decide what you want to do with your man at a later stage. But he's dating. Hey, Asoze. You guys will figure out what to do. My scat, what do you want to do?
I guess I'm mad.
You don't want him?
I guess I'm mad.
Setsa jwalo mama.
I guess kopa.
Yambona, he was protecting the side as well.
Wena my sister ke msebenzi
Social
wawo.
distance.
Oh, yes.
Social distance.
Please go away. Thank you. You can leave us. My scat, do you need transport?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Just
step aside for me.
don't breathe even the same air as
Babies.
me, please.
Ke khoa ka kopa bua le mtshwaka.
Can you please leave us?
Ish my sister.
Can you please go home?
Tla go tsamaya.
I ke tsamaye le wena Tebo.
Please go home.
Ke ntho tso di.
Oh, go home. Oh, he doesn't want to talk to you. The best thing to do is go home.
Kopa bua le ena.
She doesn't want to talk to you.
Mama.
Please leave. Please leave. Please leave.
Can I please talk to you?
She does not want to talk to you. Are we going to do this the whole day? She does not want to talk to you.
Baby,
I ke batla bua le wena Tebo.
Mama, ka o kopa hle.
I ke re batla o bua. I ke re batla o bua. Itla re tlo bua. Itla re tlo bua. I ke re batla o bua wena. O batla o bua ke re. I ke re batla o bua Tebo.
Baby.
I ke re batla o
Mama,
bua.
salwana, baby.
Itla re tlo bua.
Hey, mama,
Itla re tlo bua.
mama.
Come, let's talk. I ke re you wanna talk. I ke re you wanna talk.
Baby.
Oh. Tebo, leave, bruh. So you don't want to leave?
I want to talk to my person.
She doesn't want to talk to you. Maybe you can talk to her tomorrow. Talk to her tomorrow.
No.
Let me see.
Baby, no, ne ra kwa ke.
What is it? Yeah. Ah, di betunan.
Baby.
The consistency. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Kopa bua le mtshwaka before I leave.
You can call her.
Mama, hle.
Teboho, there's no reasonable conversation that's going to happen right now because she also wants to beat you up. You are Kengoku. Let me see.
Mama.
You? Thank you, bye. That took forever. Lams? Excuse me? Are you gonna leave? Please leave us.
No, can I leave?
Oh. Oh, hi, son. Please leave.
Yeah, power. Katsamani.
No, go this way. Because I guess you guys were coming from this way.
Yeah, we are going that way.
Yes. So please go home. You need to give up at some point.
Mama.
Yeah. Honestly.
Kebuko, do I look like your mother? Do I look like your mother?
Thank you. Yo, Lamini, that took 5 years.
Angifuni ukukhuluma nawe, angifuni.
I don't want to talk to you.
Angifuni. Once she said akafuna.
I do not want to talk to you.
Once wathi ngiyeke.
Like,
Yabona kwana ngisho usuphezulu athi phuma yeka phuma.
period.
Yeah. Uza ukuthi hayi sekuyashisa manje ufuna wathi nje yeka.
Yeka.
Yeah.
Into enzima apha.
Yeka mfethu.
Yeka Dlamini.
Ungangiyekisa.
Yeah. Oh God.
Ungangiyekisa?
Yes, absolutely.
Eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hayi ngoba ngiphushi ka. No,
In my bubble.
yazi why? I know ukuthi mangisondele kanje eduze wakho. Kuba khona into ekhona. That's why ngithanda ukusondela kanje.
Like what?
Angithi awufuna ukukhuluma. But you know ukuthi kwenzeka something mangila ithi ungenze ngathi.
Dlamini.
Yazi problem yakho yini? Wenze ngathi ebantwini. Wenze ngathi.
Wow. Are you done, Dlamini?
Sana man.
Thank you, Sana. I try.
No, you don't try umhle.
Thank you, Nunu.
Manyano umhle.
I appreciate it.
Ukudlala umhle.
I like compliments from you, Dlamini. I do. Ndihambe ngoku ndiyo recover your complexion. Guys, in the chiller, we were in the sun. Hi Mo, we were in the sun for 10 minutes.
Look nje lila.
I'm 2 colors already.
Lithi nje ilanga.
As sunscreen is useless. No, I don't think I put on sunscreen.
Afaka sunscreen.
But I took it for granted that we were doing winter.
Verify sunscreen.
Tachana phambana. Anyway, Dlamini, shall we close?
Asambe mama.
Are you going to just address? How was the penthouse? Shooting the penthouse?
Awe.
Was it nice?
Yitabo no zakanje. But people were asking after you.
Types zakho.
People were asking after you.
Aisha, you guys will miss me at the penthouse. Thank you very much.
Ukuvakasha nje uthi.
No, thank you.
Come and see us.
You guys spent 30 minutes arguing over a glass.
You know where
childish.
where there is more than 3 women in the same space. Yeah. Shit is about God.
Right, even more than 2.
Even more than 2.
Yeah.
There's always that thing ukuthi abantu besifazane beboda they don't. You know, so eventually.
No, I hear you, Dlams.
The fight is over khona.
Yeah. No, but I'm happy for you that the penthouse is back because I know you like shooting the penthouse. You like, you know. But anyway, are you shooting again?
I don't know when. But we still have episodes, so.
I saw one episode, it's games night.
Yes.
I was like,
That's the next one.
You guys should have played 30 seconds so the stupid people can stand out. But yes, call up, no comment. It's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame, an absolute bitch. Lisa Serame _ That's my Instagram.
It's still a glam. Welcome _Dlamini 88 Facebook. Welcome Dlamini. Take a retort. Welcome Dlamini. Danko Seba.
Thank you.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.